we have made it to day 5. How many of you are as excited as I am that we have made it to day 5? So there's a couple of things that I want to run by you today. TGIF first and foremost. So excited. It is Friday. Everyone is ready for the weekend, ready to end their week. The sessions from yesterday will be up throughout today, and then those will be coming down. And then day 5 sessions will be up throughout tomorrow, and then those will be coming down. So we are coming to the end of all this fantastic content, and I hope you guys have enjoyed every minute of it. I am still currently in Facebook jail. Gotta love Facebook. So if you want to reach out to me, make sure you are either sending me a direct message or you are shooting me an email. Right now, about all I can do is put a like on something or a heart on something and maybe add a sticker to it. It's really pretty bland. So, and now I see why they're trying to get rid of the likes, right? Because, you know, a couple of other things that I want to make sure that you guys are remembering to do. Join the Facebook group. We have tons of trainings inside the Facebook group where I walk you through the systems that I use every single day with my clients and that my clients are using to continue to systematize and scale their businesses. And I certainly don't want you to miss out on that. If you are not getting the emails from this summit, make sure I am inside your safe senders list, marissa@bizsystemsummit.com. You definitely want to add that because I am going to be sending you guys out some additional information after the summit has passed. And then this is your last day to grab that all access pass. For those of you who perhaps have missed a couple of sessions and you want to go back and catch up, you're probably out of time on most of the days. In fact, I know you are. And then day 4 comes down today. That all access pass not only gives you all the live sessions that you're watching right now, but it gives you every single one of those much deeper dives that I take with every single speaker, which is absolutely phenomenal. You're also helping us to build out the AWISH Academy, which is supporting those women coming out of domestic violence. And this is a crucial step in their journey, to getting themselves back on track, back on their feet and getting themselves and their children in a safer place. And so that project is near and dear to my heart. And I want to make sure that you guys have the opportunity to be involved for those that are interested in that. Day 5 content is powerhouse packed. We are talking about designing your tailor-made life, reimagining your idea of success, because not everybody is into this idea of hustle and grind and, jump up at 4 a.m. and run until midnight and do it all over again the next day. We're talking about rocket fuel for your business, caging those squirrels that take you off track, soul calling in your business, making sure that the business that you are in is actually fueling your soul. And then a number of other sessions about taking care of yourself, maximizing your high performance energy, getting clear, those quantum breakthrough secrets that we all need to know. And this idea of the hidden gem that you have inside your own millionaire mindset, and then exercising away that stress. This is your opportunity today to focus 100% on you and make sure that you are in the position to be able to step up, systematize, and scale your business, because it all begins with you. So if you are not stopping to take care of yourself, you are going to crash and burn once you start hitting that 7-figure and beyond mark. So we want to make sure that you are taking care of you, and that's what this track is all about. Now, let's get this party started. I am so stoked to begin these sessions and start taking my own notes. Guys, we will see you inside the summit. Can't wait to see you there. Bye, everyone.